Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some trendy hairstyle ideas. First up we have this Shaggy Bixie haircut, very chic and fun style, followed by this butterfly haircut. So one of the hair trends that we are seeing along with the butterfly layered look is the 90s layered hairstyle. This one in particular features some gorgeous blonde face framing highlights. This is a great way to add some volume to your hair. Absolutely gorgeous. The face framing highlights really adds a nice dimensional tone as well. Stunning hairstyle. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see this beautiful tousled bob. Followed by this stunning layered shaggy hairstyle. This one does feature bangs. And this is another great hairstyle to add to your hair if you are looking to add in some volume. And then here we have a gorgeous long to short hair transformation. Absolutely stunning bob haircut, feathered bangs in the front, beautiful transformation. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.